this is all because I brought my machine into the shop last week. I'm not able to use it until it gets fixed. But I didn't know when I brought the machine into the service repair shop that they were booked out a month. I did not know that until after they got the machine all checked in. So I don't have a sewing machine, for up to the next month, which puts a huge damper on sewing plans and honestly just on my sanity. I have 3 things that I want to highlight from my Etsy shop. The first item that I'm going to show you is this. This is part of my beginner-friendly embroidery course. This is my most detailed step-by-step guide that teaches you all of the stitches that you need to know in order to stitch this design, and I purposely designed this to incorporate the most variety of stitches. This design is not only very pretty and super fun, but it is also very functional and provides a great foundation for anyone curious about learning hand embroidery. I teach you in close-up videos. I teach you with helpful tips and tricks. So you can buy the full course. It comes with the pattern, access to all 5 videos, and it comes with a physical supply kit shipped to you. You can also just buy the digital version, which is the digital pattern download plus the video access. And then there's also a third version. If you already have supplies, if you already know what you're doing, you can just buy the pattern for this. So all 3 options are in my Etsy shop. All 3 versions right here, so you know what you're looking for. They're great for homeschool crafts. They're great for girls' night. They're great for gifts for your crafty friends or your kids or your grandkids. Item number 2 that I would like to highlight is this scalloped edge banner. It's a little over 5 feet long, and it is made from a vintage quilt, and it is also reversible. So I think this would be so sweet in a child's bedroom or a playroom. It would also be really pretty for Christmas decor. I also have a couple other banners in my shop, so go check those out as well. The third item that I would like to highlight is truly one of a kind. It's a size 2T, 3T quilt vest. You can see visible mending, and it features a reversible aspect with the original backing of the quilt, and it ties shut with a sweet little bow closure in the front. I'll show you the back. Super sweet. Go give this some love. Feel free to click on over and check out the rest of the items yourself.